Hello everyone. In this video we will talking about creating a shape that I saw it in many calculus textbook related to volume, in which you have a shape in which the base is ellipse and the cross section of that solid shape perpendicular to x-axis is equilateral triangle. So we're just trying to create that shape in Fusion 360. So I already created the shape. If you take a cross section in any point perpendicular to the red line, which will be x-axis, then will get you to equilateral triangle. So now let's go start from scratch. What are we doing? First, we will creating ellipse, and the size of the ellipse doesn't matter, so let's pick 200. 200 by 100. Now, before you finishing the sketch, what I do, I split the ellipse into pieces, click on trim, delete this part, and then click on the mirror, the part I have, and then mirror line will be this one. Finish. So now I have the ellipse at the basis of my construction. What I'm doing next, I'm creating a plane with angle. So corresponding to this line, and either you make a 30 or minus 30, so it doesn't matter. Negative 30. Here we go. So now what I'm doing, I'll create another ellipse in that plane, and click construction here, click on construction on this one. So click on the ellipse, the top, I don't know why they do this one, so let's do it again. Again, click on the construction. Okay, this is the one, ellipse, and 100. This is very important. The length will be 100, while the other one will, the other part was 200, same 200, but this part not will be 100, it will be 86.6. In the video description, I will mention why this should be, and this is very important. So we created this one, and you see it's already. And now what I'm doing, top, I do the same thing. I will cut it into two parts, and I will delete one of them. Let's see, which one should I trim? From right, so it looks like I need to trim this part. Top. Trim this part. Okay, now we're done. Let's look at the top. Okay, so now let's see what we have from front. Okay, I don't like this way, but doesn't matter. Okay, now let's look at this part. Okay, so the next step is we don't need a plane. Let's hide it. Now we will create a surface in which will be normal to this piece of ellipse we created, and we can do this with clicking on surface, click on extrude, click on this, and come here and choose symmetry, which is both sides. Make sure this is big enough. You can modify later, but that's what we want. The next step is to mirror this one. Click on mirror, and then you can say body, and select the mirror line will be this plane. Okay, object, and here we go. So we just need to cleanup. Or so what I'm doing, I will be maybe clicking. Let's see. Maybe first I need to click a patch. And here we go. Okay, now we have everything. Now the next step is I need to cut or trim. So first I need to select the base of my trim. Let's say this one, this part, and now I need to cut this part. Here we go. Now for this one, I want to cut this part. So the base will be this. Okay, trim. This will be the base. Selecting the tool will be this one, and the part I want to cut it will be here. Now I need to do the for the bottom. For the bottom, clicking on trim, and the base will be our guidance, and the part I want to cut it will be here. Same thing for this side. Click on the trim, select the part that will be trim tool, then click on the part you don't want. That's too much. Okay, I don't know what's going on here. I don't know. Do you know what? I can delete whole things. Okay, now what I'm doing here, I will just mirror this part and come here, mirror, and this will be based on this one. And here we go. Maybe a little problem here, but I don't see any problem. Okay, let's go the other way. Just go to the side. And here we go. Sorry, I have trouble still dealing with. Okay. Okay. Okay, almost there. Yeah, we are good. Okay, we are good. Here we go. Now, let's cut it. Let's cut the shape and see how it looks like. So click on the offset plane and just go cut it in somewhere around them here. Now click on solid, cut, select simply the body and select the tool. And here we go. Now let's see. Yes, it looks like I needed to cut the other part too. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, let's do it again. It looks like it recognized as a two part, so I can actually it's cut it. So here's the part. Let's color this part just to see how it looks like. Let's hide these two other parts. I can hide this one. Click on the body. There's a new part. Okay. There's other part. I don't want to see it. And if you look at this part, it's exactly equilateral triangle. So if you click on the create a sketch, choose this plane, and then click on, sorry, not this one, click on polygon, and here we choose the dimension, and then I want to pick 3. And as you see, exactly is matched on the border or the cross section. So this is it. We're able to create the shape. And if you save this one and exported as a the something that you can print it, then it will be recognized as a body. So let's open it and let's see it in Bamboo. If you say anything, that's fine. Okay, yes. And here we go. And that's it. So maybe we should ask to auto rotate. Let's say auto rotate. Click on the shape. Auto rotate. Yeah. So here we go. Maybe you need to repair it, but I wish we can. Yes, that's it. So there you go. And if you cut this one into part, doesn't let me do it. To check, it will be one of them. So yeah, this is it. That's our